Hi everyone. I hope so that every one of you have done your CTM, the second CTM, what you need to do in the evening or in the night. Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, good. Always remember that you have to do your CTM twice a day. Once you are doing it with me in this live session, and one you have to do it on your own at your home. Okay, don't forget that. So I have made my pack. See the consistency? It's not too thin, it's not too thick. It's a coffee pack. I guess many people have joined for the very first day. So guys, it's okay if you don't have the pack recipe. I'll share as soon as I'll finish off my Zoom meeting.
It's my first day. I have made the pack. Please check my also. The consistency is not as good as.
Show me. Yeah, it's fine, baby. It's little thin. इसमें अपना binding substance डालो. Your skin is normal to oily or normal to dry?
Mine is normal to oily.
Okay. So add gram flour in it. पतला है पूजा ये. इसमें थोड़ा सा binding agent और डालो.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Let's start the session now. Start with your face wash. I'm using Innisfree green tea foam cleanser. Start doing your face wash. Start applying it on your face.
And my husband, when I was making this pack, he was saying that, what are you making? So I told him that this is a face pack. So he was saying, you're getting fairer day by day and you're not letting me know your secret. You apply this pack to me also after your session.
Just do your CTM with him in the evening and send me a picture like this. Okay? So this is such a cute picture. Do send me your pictures like this. Take out your toners. I am using my Clinique toner. Step 2. If you don't have cotton pads, you can take the toner in between your hands and just start dabbing it. Okay? Or you can say you can pat the toner as well. And if you have your toner in spray form, you can spray it on your full face and leave it on. I've taken my toner on my cotton pad and I'm dabbing it. Never ever forget your neck. After doing these, CTM, I guess we are on 6th day today. आप लोगों को क्या changes लग रहे हैं अपनी skin पे? One by one, okay? Bhavika?
Day by day, my skin is getting softer and softer, and like a baby skin, like how the baby skin is soft. So I was asking my husband also to touch my skin, to touch my face and see like how soft it is getting day by day.
That's nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anmol, I want to listen your feedback as well.
Yes, ma'am. My skin is really glowing day by day. It's becoming very hydrated, very soft, and it's very glowing. You can see.
Nice. Yes, I can see that. I can see that shine on your full face. My God.
Yes.
This is the coffee pack we all have made today. So now have a look the way we have to apply it. Always apply your face pack in upward movements, in upward strokes. My skin is normal to dry and I have made my pack according to my skin type. And I have shared the recipe with all of you. I have shared 2 recipes for normal to dry skin people and also for people who are having normal to oily skin. Always do in upward movements like this. And never ever forget your neckline. There's one more feedback from my husband कि कल सेशन के बाद ही told me कि मैं भी करूँगा CTM, तो मेरे लिए एक पैक बनाओ जो तुमने सबके साथ बनाया था. तो मैंने उनके लिए पैक बनाया और उनको कुछ जिट्स है फेस पे, एक्ने है. मैंने उसमें एक और ingredient ऐड करा. I would like to share with you also. It is called tea tree oil. I've added 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. He told me that इतना शिखा refreshing लग रहा है, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. And when he washed his face, he was glowing. Let's make it fun. 21 days skin CTM challenge. Okay? सबके साथ करेंगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा.
This coffee mask is also beneficial for the acne skin. Like I have a combination skin from oily. Like I have my T-zone is oily and my cheeks are very dry. So will it help in both the cases?
Yes, Pooja. If you have acne, it will give you benefit because coffee has antioxidants in it, improves your blood circulation, and it will definitely give you an equilibrium. Or if you have a dry skin, it will give you a balance. So don't worry if you have dry skin, oily skin, it will give you benefits. Don't worry.
Yeah, actually I have pigmentation around my lip area, and basically मेरी dry skin है ना, तो बहुत flakes हो जाते हैं, जैसे कई बार patchy हो जाता है foundation वगैरह भी, तो उससे मतलब ये face mask वगैरह से better हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Yes.
अभी आपको बहुत सारे रिव्यूज सुनाएंगे. आज आपका शायद फर्स्ट डे है, सो अभी आपको यही गर्ल गैंग बताएगा कि इनकी स्किन कैसे बेटर हो रही है, और मैं भी आपको बताऊंगी कि और हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं ड्राई स्किन. वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टिप, यू विल नेवर एवर अप्लाई योर फेस पैक्स बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू ड्राई. दे आर ड्राइंग फेस पैक. You will never ever apply your face pack around your eye area or over your eyelid area. From now onwards, never do that, and always apply your face pack till your neckline.
I'm feeling very dry around my lips after this pack, and I've used the oily skin pack for my skin.
That means your mouth area is almost dry. It falls under the category of normal to dry. Okay. So only for your T-zone area, maybe up till your nose, apply the pack which is for normal to oily skin. For rest of your face, apply the pack which is for normal to dry skin. Because you are feeling so that this area is going dry. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm using this oil called Milagro. Open the bottle. There is a dropper inside. Please do not use like this. Don't use like this. Okay? Like Instagrammers. Don't use like this. You know why? If you will touch this dropper again and again on your skin and you're having some kind of infection, it will transfer to this dropper and then your whole oil is infected. Please don't do like that. Take the oil on your palm. Don't forget to close the bottle. Warm the product in between your hands like this. Then start patting. First, just pat the product. Apply it onto your neck. Don't forget your neck. In upward strokes, see like this. Massage your face in upward movements like this. Take your two fingers, move them up like this. Then take your two fingers like this, your middle finger and your ring finger, and use these upward movements like this. Okay, then come on to your temples. You can do clockwise, anti-clockwise, and pressure. After that, your hands start rubbing on your neck in upward movements and on the back of your neck as well. So guys, this is the product I want to show you today. I hope so every one of you can see this. This is called Jade Roller. It improves the circulation. It relaxes our facial muscles. You know, whenever you'll press them, just give little pressure with this massager, with this roller. इस roller को इस तरीके से आप चलाएंगे ऊपर की तरफ. इसका जो ये stone है, इसमें बहुत anti-aging benefits है, और इस तरीके से चलाने में ऊपर की तरफ स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली जब आप इसको रोज यूज करेंगे आपको काफी डिफरेंस दिखाई देगा. ये आपके फेशियल मसल्स को बहुत रिलैक्स कर देता है, और जब आप बड़े एरिया पे काम कर रहे हैं जैसे चीक्स पे, तो आप बड़ा इसका रोलर लेंगे, छोटा नहीं लेंगे. इस तरीके से ऊपर की तरफ. So bigger area, bigger roller. Smaller area, please use smaller roller. I'll tell you how. Upward movements. Okay. So now, this is my smaller roller. ये छोटा roller है इस तरफ, जहां पे हमारा eyebrow का arc होता है guys, इधर. Can you see here? यहां पे हम इसको ऊपर ले जाके प्रेस करेंगे और काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. and we'll release it. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release it. Do it for 3 times. 3 बार करेंगे इस तरीके से एंड उसी टाइम आप इंस्टेंटली देख पाएंगे कि ये एरिया थोड़ा सा लिफ्ट हो जाता है. अब मैं दूसरी आईब्रो पे कर रही हूं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release it. And release it. Count for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then release it. You will see the difference. It's very effective. It's very effective. If you get acne on this area, which is T-zone, okay, that means you have normal to oily skin. Take care of your oil, wash your face twice a day and always check that you don't have dandruff out there. Okay, if you get acne on this area, which is C-zone, so then that means it is related to your hormones. You are having hormonal imbalances. People who are having PCOD get acne out here. Although it is a debatable topic, it's a very large topic, acne or pimples. I can't tell you everything in detail on this particular platform. One more important thing, last but not the least, if you get acne on this area, Y zone, we call it a Y zone, your jawline, your neckline, your neck, that means you have eaten hot and spicy food. ये बहुत ही छोटे छोटे से मैं tips दे रही हूँ, but they are very important. Take out your moisturizer. I have used this particular brand called Clinique, dramatically different. Rub the moisturizer, make it warm. Now start applying. In upward movements. Come on guys, apply your moisturizer. Whatever product you have left in between your hands, apply it on your neck as well. Use upward movements. I'm showing you one new product today. This is called Laneige. I hope so I'm pronouncing it correct. This is called sleeping mask for your lips. You can apply it as a lip balm. You can apply it as a lip sleeping mask and leave it on for the full night.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
हम
डायरेक्ट टोनर के बाद मॉइस्चराइजर यूज कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, बिल्कुल कर सकते हो जी. In my earlier videos, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने तो ये चीज एक्सप्लेन करी हुई है एंड आप लोगों को मालूम होगा. हर रोज मैं देखती हूँ कम से कम 5 से 10 लोगों के चेहरे नए होते हैं, तो मुझे बाद में रियलाइज होता है वीडियो देखने के बाद, ओ शिट, मैं तो इनको एक्सप्लेन करना ही भूल गई कि आप ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट यूज कर लो या इसको ऐसे यूज करो या इसको वैसे यूज करो. तो आप लोग मेरे YouTube पे जाके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, मेरे YouTube के वीडियोस देखो और जो भी कमेंट्स है आपके मन में पर्टिकुलर किसी ब्रांड को लेके, किसी मूवमेंट को लेके, मुझे वहीं पे टाइप करो और मैं उसका या तो खुद जाके रिप्लाई करूंगी या मेरी टीम आपको टाइप कर देगी. एंड इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियोस व्हिच आर ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड देयर, आई गेस टिल day 4 CTM, so you can like them, you can put your comments there, whatever you have. You can share my videos with your friends, with your family, so that they can also be benefited out of this CTM skin challenge. And we can make this skin challenge a very fun skin challenge, and it should not be boring. Let's do it together. Let's make it a fun. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you all should be notified whenever my videos are up.